So these are actually my favorite wireless microphones. So this has a charging case, of course. They've sold probably thousands of these. Now when you pop it open, it has a little receiver and it has two microphones. I'm actually using them right now. So you can tell the voice quality and you can see the actual charge on the item here. So let me go ahead and switch over. So you can see me currently using the phone, and then I have the wireless mic right here. Now this is nice because this actually, you can move it wherever you want to. I've seen a lot of people, they actually have a hat and they have it on the brim of their hat. Now how this works is you have the wireless mic, and then on the other side there's a magnet. So again, you can use it on your hat, you can use it on your collar. I like it right here. I feel like this is a perfect area. I forget it's there half the time while I'm filming a few different videos. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and back up a little bit. I'm gonna put the phone down kind of on the bed and back up a little bit so you can still obviously hear me probably just as well, which is obviously nice because of the mic. I did have another wireless mic and it had issues with charging. It all of a sudden stopped charging. Now you can see I'm moving forward towards the phone, and the volume is really nice with this because this also has voice canceling features. Not voice canceling, noise canceling. So that is nice if you're working around like humming noises like fans. All you do is you just press the bottom here, the light will turn green, and it'll turn green on the receiver. And it's really nice. I've done this in a room where the washer is going. So I went ahead and just pressed that feature and I was able to record in there and you couldn't hear the washer in the background. Again, this is what the box looks like. It's from Maono, has some really good ratings. Definitely happy with this. This has allowed me to film my different videos I make, like DIY videos, where I don't have to be right up. And it's kind of a pain too, because sometimes you have to go back and edit videos, and it's a pain when you have to basically go back and edit the video where you're recording voice, because you know the voice quality isn't going to be good if you don't have a wireless mic. So I would recommend these guys. Just check out the ratings for yourself.